Korean soy sauce braised potatoes Gamja Jorim. Easy Korean soy sauce braised potatoes. Recipe for beginners Gamja Jorim in 5 minutes. Try this easy Korean side dish, Gamja Jorim, perfect for novice cooks. Only a few ingredients needed, ready in 5 minutes. Ingredients: potatoes medium 2, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, water, cup, sugar 1 tablespoon, cooking oil 1 tablespoon, sesame oil, TSP. Green onions 1 stalk optional for garnish. Step-by-step recipe 5-minute guide. Preparation: start by washing and peeling the potatoes. Cut them into bite-sized cubes. Cooking: heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the cubed potatoes and stir-fry for about 1 minute until slightly browned. Simmering: pour in cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir everything gently. Reduce the sauce. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat to medium-low. Let the potatoes simmer until the sauce thickens, stirring occasionally. Finishing touch: when the potatoes are tender and the sauce is nicely reduced, turn off the heat. Drizzle with TSP of sesame oil for added flavor. Garnish with chopped green onions if desired. Tips: adjust the sugar if you prefer a sweeter taste. This dish pairs well with rice, making it an ideal side dish for any meal. Stay tuned for more daily Korean recipes that are simple and perfect for novice cooks. Thank you.